am I mistaken in, I believe what I read was these two Matsuura machines that you guys invested in was able to replace the amount of output from 5 other of another machine that you guys are trying to run now lights out versus constantly loading and reloading. Could you go into a bit more detail about that?
Yeah, that's true. The other machines weren't automated, and just sort of depending on cycle time, it really affected whether we were able to have an entire night's worth of runtime, or the runtime during the day really affected productivity at night. With Matsuura, we're obviously able, even if it's running at the end of the day, to load at least 3 more stations and gain a lot of cycle time after hours, which is a big deal, without having to come in later to load blocks for a hot job, or without having to work an insane amount of hours. We're able to get the same, if not more, productivity out of just a palletized station, whereas we would have to load several machines previously for that same output.